I don't know about you, but I can't wait to get into grilling. I'm ready to just start smoking and grilling and doing the Kamado and all that good stuff right now. So it seems that the season's coming sooner than later. So get ready. If you haven't been buying your grills, go get your grills. You haven't been getting your sauces, go get my sauces. And by the way, thank you everybody for buying the new sauce I got, the high fructose corn syrup free barbecue sauce I have on Amazon Prime. It's selling like crazy. People are loving it. The day they get it, they're writing me. They're like, "Hey Jack, my sauce arrived. I tried it. I've tasted nothing like it. It's amazing." So thank you guys for trusting me. If you haven't seen it yet, there'll be a link down below. In the meantime, let's get into this new product. I wouldn't say it's new. It's new to me. But they're called smoking tubes. And this one is by a company called Amazing Smoker, 12-inch tube. This tube is specifically for wood pellets. If you don't know what wood pellets are, it's pressed, flavored sawdust. And if you've ever heard of the Traeger grills or Grilla grills that I use on the show, that's their heat source and their flavor source. Okay, before I get any further into this video, I just want to thank my buddy over at Texas Style Cuisine. Johnny Stewart is the one who told me about this tube. He's also going to be reviewing it on his show. We both talked about doing a shout out, so I'm shouting out to him. Thanks, Johnny, for the idea of checking this device out. I'll let you know in a little bit how it works. But head on over to Texas Style Cuisine. That dude's blowing up, growing fast, especially if you want some good old Texas barbecue. Okay, so let's take this all outside. This is full of wood pellets. We're ready to go. You can lay it down like this on the grill. You can lay it like this. The best part about this is this turns a gas or charcoal grill into a smoker. Okay, here's the setup. Rack of ribs over here where there's no flame. My one flame only on is this one right here, giving me about 275 degrees. It's the lowest I can get this gas grill. And now it's time to light this up, so let's do it. You want to get a good start, so be patient. Looks to be smoking pretty good. We're gonna close it up right now and see if it keeps going. Well, good news is I came out here and you can see smoke. I don't know if you catch it on camera, but there's smoke coming out of it. You can see it. It's working. It's still smoking. And we're about, I would say we're about 30 minutes in to the cook. But we are about 45 minutes in and this thing's just kicking. Look at it. All right, I'm a little embarrassed. I got my grill here and it's not smoking at all. I mean, it's holding temperature and everything, but it's not smoking at all. And I look over there, I got a rack of ribs over there that's smoking like crazy. And this one, rack of ribs here. Nothing against Grilla. I love you guys, but man, that's just constant smoke. I'll be shocked if it doesn't come out good. This is 2 hours in, guys. That is amazing. That is crazy smoke. Let's look at my other ribs here. Now, the thing is, this doesn't smoke unless it needs the temperature raised. That's why it's not smoking right now. Very little smoke is happening in this. So if it's holding at 275, there'll be no more heat, no more smoke created. But if you come over here, this thing is going to be so smoked out, it's crazy. Look at it. Before I cut into this amazing looking rack of ribs, I just want to show you this one more time. This I'm going to use on my smoker and on my gas grill. This is unbelievable. This thing smoked like I've never seen my smoker do for 2.5 solid straight hours. I filled this up. You saw me light it. 2.5 hours of solid smoke. Start cutting into this sucker. Isn't that beautiful? All right, here we go. Well, that's hickory, all right. Oh my goodness. Guys, this has so much smoke. Every bite is a mouthful of flavor. That hickory is, oh, I really should stop eating this because I'm trying to talk to you. And I can't keep it out of my mouth. It's so good. I'm going to be totally honest with you. I taste more smoke in these ribs than I ever have off the Grill of Grills or the Traeger. And I did it on a gas grill. This is literally what it's called, Amazing Tube Smoker. I have a link down below. I don't care if you own charcoal, gas, or you have a smoker. Your smoker ain't always smoking enough. This thing's gonna bomb your meat with flavor like you've never tasted before. It's well worth it, guys. I wanna thank my buddy Johnny from Texas Style Cuisine for even mentioning this. I wonder what happened to his test. But go check him out and see if he's done a review on this. I'm gonna give him a call as soon as I'm done filming. You guys get one, and I'll see you later. Take care. Enjoy smoking.